We're at Incredibowl in Winter Haven.
Yeah.
We haven't been bowling in a really long time.
Dad is so good at it that when he threw the ball, it actually scared me.
Oh, really? Did he already start? Oh, he did. Already? Oh, man.
That's too bad.
Oh, a split. Not yet. I got one more. Oh.
Wait, whatever you do.
Yowzers, that was the bee's knees.
That was a big shot.
Right, you got it straight.
Carried it. Do you think you're going to get a split?
I wasn't sure what was going to happen there. There was like 5 boards inside where I wanted it.
Carrying that stuff just like Papa.
Oh, it's your turn.
Wait up, Sam. Wait.
Everybody was yelling at me and said it's my turn.
Get up there now. That's better.
Sam, it's your turn.
Yeah.
I could hear his thumb pop out. You always have been able to. Yeah, you heard it.
He's high.
His thumb was stuck in the ball.
Way to go, Matt.
I know. I wanted to move half the board too and I didn't do it.
Gotta get your fingers closed. I'm waiting for my
That was the
That last ball
difference.
picked up a little bit too much on me. I thought it was me.
Yeah, the last one was just a tad high, but carried it, right? Yeah.
Matt's gotta get out of his finger gloves.
Oh, celebrating.
Keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. Keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and them ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working. Keep on moving, we keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never gonna lose it, cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your, never rest.
Dad, I was just about to hit the Wilson.
I like commentary. I know.
How is that moving right now? Oh, I mean,
4.
cut that out.
Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't ever gonna lose it.
How so? Tired? Exhausted? Yeah. It's gonna feel worse tomorrow. The next couple days. Oh, it won't be burning. It'll just be a deep, deep soreness.
Is that our food?
I hope so. Here it comes.
Robust.
Here she comes. She's going to the test right now. We're on 35.
We at 35. No movement.
Emily. Emily. Emily.
Sense you gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best. Keep on moving, Moving, we keep on moving along. keep it moving, keep it